Artificial grass is a low-maintenance way to keep your yard looking great year-round. But not all artificial turfs are the same. Here's what you need to consider before you choose one for your space. The pile height and density of the turf can affect how lush your lawn looks and feels. For a natural look, choose grass that has a long pile with a high density. Artificial grass with a shorter pile is great for high-traffic areas and pets, but looks less like real grass. Since artificial grass doesn't need watering, it's a great option for dry, arid climates or areas with water restrictions. Artificial grass comes in a few different materials, with polyethylene being the most popular. It's soft, realistic, and durable, making it great for lawns. Polypropylene is another durable and low-maintenance option that works well for putting greens or grass mats, but it may fade with sun exposure. Another option is nylon. It's the strongest option and has a higher melting point than the others. Before you shop, set a budget for your project. Consider factors like how much grass you need, the type you want, the size and accessibility of the area, and any labor costs. Choosing the right artificial turf is easier when you know what matters. Explore the selection available at Lowe's to find the best fit for your home.